So, like, just to be clear, don't attack me, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. I'm asking for a friend. I just have one question. Why are we not putting foundation on our forehead?
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees.
What's up, guys? It's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video, I'm going to be trying out a makeup trend that has perplexed me. I have been seeing it on YouTube a lot, and it's mostly brown and black girls that are doing it. People are saying that not wearing foundation on their forehead is changing their lives.
Stop putting foundation on your forehead. Okay, I know you're probably like, bitch, what do you mean stop putting foundation on my forehead? Exactly what the fuck I said.
Now, I saw this a lot a few months ago, and then I just recently saw it again on a suggested video, so I was like, what are y'all trying to do right now? I don't really see the point. I don't get it, but I want to know. I want to be in the in crowd, okay? I want to know what's going on. I want to be hip and cool and trendy. So that's what we're going to be trying today. If you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit me up on Instagram. But all that extra nonsense out the way, let's just go ahead and figure out why we're not putting foundation on our forehead. I want to know. Asking for a friend. The friend is myself. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And if anybody else has this foundation, please let me know in the comments if the pump doesn't work for you either. My pump stopped working really soon after I got it, so now when I want to use it, I have to pop the top off like this, and it's really hard and kind of annoying. And I was originally going to just repurchase it because I thought maybe it was just this, it was just my foundation that I did that. But I went to go repurchase it, and all the testers in the store, the pumps didn't work either. So I was like, no, it's a bottle defect, so I might as well keep the one that I have because I'm just gonna buy a whole new one when this is a full bottle and it's gonna do the same thing. If you're new here, you don't know this about me. I did not prime before, but I'm a changed woman now. I like to prime now. So I'm taking the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And I guess we're going to avoid the forehead, considering the forehead won't be getting any foundation. If you do this method, or you know why people do this method, I really need to know, like for real. I'm gonna try it myself and see what it looks like on me and see if it lives up to the hype. But like, what's the point? Why do this? And another thing I'm thinking about is, what about people that have acne on their foreheads? What about that? What about those people? Those people literally couldn't do this. So yeah, I need some answers, and I'm about to be Miss Nancy Drew and solve me some problems. I want to be Sherlock Holmes. Why I always gotta be a girl? I want to be Sherlock. I don't want to be Nancy. Look how pretty my nails look. Look like I'm in a foundation campaign. Okay, sorry. All right, so taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Oh, I feel like it's about to drip. And we're just gonna dot that. Boop, boop, boop. That's actually gonna be quite a lot of foundation, so that's enough. And then I'm just going to take my buffing brush by e.l.f. Love this brush. And we're gonna get into it. You know what's funny is, the reason I use this brush now is because of a video very similar to this that I did. I was trying makeup trends that I didn't like or didn't get, and I ended up absolutely loving it. So what if I stopped putting foundation on my forehead and I love it? Let's see. Let me tell you why I'm actually kind of rooting for this to work, because on most days I wear a wig, or I'm trying to get out of wearing a wig every day. So like some days, usually half the week, I'll be wearing a wig. And if I don't have to put foundation on my forehead, then I don't have to worry about like blending and all that. And honestly, I can't judge it like this, but so far it looks like it doesn't look off. It doesn't look like I don't have foundation on my forehead or anything. So I can see how somebody would enjoy this, but the question still stands: what about people that have acne or their forehead is like a problem area for them? But obviously, I wouldn't go outside like this. All I have is, whoa, can't talk. Obviously, I wouldn't go out like this. All I have on is foundation and eyebrows. So, we're gonna have to do the rest of our face and then come back and see if this won't look off when I have a whole beat face, everything from eyebrow down, you know? So I'm gonna do my face. I'm gonna do a really simple makeup look, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about if this is a mess or not. But so far, it doesn't look bad. Like, you really can't tell that I avoided my forehead. So that's impressive. Okay, I'll BRB. You guys, oh my God. Look at my forehead right now. Look at my, do y'all see my forehead? Like, do I have to zoom in for y'all? Do y'all see my forehead? It's undetectable. I'm unclockable right now. Even with full beat on right now, I have contoured, concealer, blush, highlight on the nose, all that. You literally cannot tell that I don't have foundation on my forehead. What is this sorcery? Who, bro? I don't remember who said this, but they were like, it saves you time too, not having to put foundation on your forehead. And it's like, wow. I'm astonished. I am impressed. I'm really impressed right now. Look at my forehead, bro. What the frick? I don't know why I didn't try this before. I look really good. But again, does this work if you have acne or a problematic forehead? I used to have acne forehead. I don't anymore, really. I really don't have any breakouts anymore, but I used to have a lot of problems in my forehead area. That used to be my problem area. So I'm like, if I have a breakout on my forehead, I probably can't do this, huh? And then I don't have to like make sure that I blend my foundation all the way into, like, past my forehead into my hairline. I don't have to worry about none of that. And that really will save me a lot of times because I work a full-time job. I'm not like these YouTubers that just sit around when they're not filming. I work a 9 to 5 Monday through Friday. So when I'm putting on makeup in the mornings, this literally will save me so much time. I blend it up to my temples, like this area, and you cannot even tell. Obviously, a part of that is having a good shade match, which is why I went the Can't Stop, Won't Stop, because I'm a little tanner now, and that foundation is a little bit more brown than I was before. So the shade match was just about perfect. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I take back what I said about not getting it. I get it. This is why they say don't knock till you try it. I'm impressed. Whoever came up with this, you're kind of a genius. All right, guys, this is a really quick, simple video. I just wanted to see why we weren't putting foundation on our foreheads. And ultimately, the answer to that question is because you don't need to, apparently. Apparently, you don't need to put foundation on your forehead. So, yeah, that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit me up on the gram because my Instagram is popping. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Muchos besitos. Bye.
Like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from me. Loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you